Hi guys, I'm Megha and welcome back to Perkymegs, where I upload videos every Monday and Friday on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So today's video is about unboxing of GlamEgo subscription box. So GlamEgo is basically a beauty subscription box where you get 4 to 5 products every month and you go to their website, you can choose your preference and then you get beauty products every month. So this month's I think theme is Diwali, so that's why it's like a beautiful, you can see this beautiful box, and if I open it, it has this beautiful packaging this month, which I really love. So inside I can see some products and there are 2 cards. So the first one has a list of all the products. So there is a liquid lipstick, and then there is a tooth powder, a body mist, a spa kit and a body lotion sample. So let me show you one by one what all these products are. Also with this unboxing I will share with you 5 facts about me and 5 facts about GlamEgo. So let's start with interesting 5 facts about me. So the first fact about me is that I am Pahadi. Yes, a lot of you think that I am Bengali, some people think I am Rajasthani, but I am basically from Garhwal. I was born in Dehradun and I was brought up in Jaipur, and then I am currently living in Delhi. The second fact about me is that I have a really bad memory when it comes to remembering names and dates. Yes, sometimes I even forget my own birthday, our marriage anniversary, someone's name. So if you meet me and you tell me your name and second time when we meet next time I don't remember your name, please don't get offended, because I'm not just able to remember names, I'm very bad at it. Okay, so third fact about me is that I really love music, and I think some of you know this fact. So I love playing guitar, I love everything about music, so I really love, and sometime I would love to make music videos. So let's see when I make those, but I really love music. And the fourth fact about me is that I love kadhi chawal and paneer bhurji. Yeah, so these two are the cuisines, the food items that I love and I can have them every day, paneer bhurji and kadhi chawal. And the fifth fact about me, which is quite strange, is that I told you I have a really bad memory as far as remembering dates and names are concerned. But the fifth fact is that I have really sharp memory about GPS and all the paths, because I have like some inbuilt GPS. I remember all the lanes, all the roads. If I visit some place only once, even if I come after 5 years there, I exactly know where we can go. I remember all the roads, all the ways, so I have some inbuilt GPS, and that is quite strange about me, because my husband also says it's really strange that you can't even remember names and dates and you remember all the ways. So this was 5 facts about me, and let's discuss now 5 facts about GlamEgo. So the first fact about GlamEgo is that it's 100% original and genuine products. Then the second fact is that products are sourced directly from premium and luxury brands only. The third fact which it says is that includes products which can be used every day. The fourth fact is that lakhs of happy and satisfied customers all over India. And fifth is that you get more than 4 times of what you pay. So this is what's written here, the 5 facts about GlamEgo, and the lucky one can win 10,000 worth beauty products. So you can check out their website for this info. And now let's see what this beautiful box has for this month. So the first product that I see is a Sisa Mud Hair Spa Kit, and it is like a 3-step therapy for silky, shiny and healthy hair, ideal for unisex use. So it is like some spa set. So I can see all these sachets which you can use step by step, like first this therapeutic hair shampoo, second is deep nourishing mud hair mask, and then there are 2 packages of this mask, and then the last is revitalizing hair serum. So these are the sachets which are in this hair spa, and the card says that this hair spa set is for the hair spa kit is for 99 rupees. Now the next product that I see is this charcoal powder, activated charcoal powder for natural teeth whitening, and this is from this brand called Health Wit. So this is how it looks, and this looks interesting. So this is a charcoal powder for teeth, and let me know, have you ever tried any charcoal powder, because it is like quite in trend right now and everybody is like showing charcoal powders for masks and teeth. So let me know in the comment section below. So this one is for 300 rupees. Now next I see is a lipstick, and this is a Bella Voste, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So it is Bella Voste Altai Matte Liquid Lipstick. So let's see the shade. The shade is Gothi Plum, and I think this season is like winter is approaching, so plum shade is perfect for that, and also it looks really beautiful in the festive season. So this is how the lipstick looks. It's a beautiful plum lipstick, and I will surely show you how it looks on me, because you always request me to show all the swatches and especially the lip swatches, so I will surely include a clip of me applying this lipstick. Okay, so the fourth item is this Bio Bloom Skincare Body Mist All Skin Types, and it is in Water Lily. So there may be various variants, and this is a Water Lily. So let me just apply it a little bit. So its smell is like that of, you know, flowery smells, and if you love those kind of fragrances, then I think you will like it. The Bio Bloom Water Lily Body Mist is for 450 rupees. Now the last item I see is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This is like a body lotion with vitamin E, and this is a sample size. So let me see how it smells of cocoa, because I think it's cocoa butter formula, so it smells of cocoa. So this is the last item in this box. So this was all in this month's GlamEgo box. These were all the items. All the info is in the description box below, so if you are interested, you can check it out. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Perkymegs. We are moving ahead close to 3 lakh subscribers, so do subscribe, share my videos with your friends and family, and let's move to 3 lakh really soon. Also, I have a Hindi channel for Hindi videos called Perkymegs Hindi. So if you are interested in Hindi videos, you can subscribe to that also. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the quick updates in fashion, beauty and lifestyle. My Instagram handle is Perkymegs. Meet you next on another interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.